You really
Die.
are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming
Go on, Turtle.
as an
Go on,
eel.
Turtle. You got this. You
Mr.
got this.
Grinch.
Aw.
You're a
Aw.
bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I take the seasick crocodile. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch.
Oh my god.
You're a nasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stunk, stunk. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. Are we playing the game? Oh, whatever.
Yeah.
You're the king of sinful sots. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched you with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul is an appalling dump heap overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable, mangled up and tangled up knots.
This is hilarious.
You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch. With the nosh, the super nosh.
Stop, Isabel,
You're
don't
a
kill
crooked
Ryan.
jockey, and you drive a crooked hoss, Mr.
No, move faster.
Grinch. You're a three-decker sauerkraut and toots. Who the fuck is killing me?
Why are we all following
Is that
me?
Izzy? Hang on.
Yes, it's Izzy.
I gotta finish this off. I had like 5 lines left. Hang